if you hear a screech, folks, I think we found our train, folks. .501 has probably confused both me and Mom here, been trying to find out where heck this. There was a train that rolled by Beecher, and we've been trying to look for this sucker, and we've had no idea where it is. Well, by some luck, we find out where she's been. She's made it to Pembine with tankers and empty LP. Smart side lumber cars. Sorry, that's by the way, folks, I'm by the side of a highway, so this is, if my camera's going down, long story short, to that. But 501 has got a bunch of LP smart side tankers. We'll see. This is a first, folks. This might be a first for me. I don't think I've filmed at this spot. I've never filmed by the Silver Dollar bar. But look at that. This is very unique. Man, those guys give me a look like, what in the hell? Alright, change locations, folks, because there's no way I was going to film right side the highway for the rest of the one. Oh my. What a moron. Sorry, folks. Don't do that. So they're bringing this log car plus the smart side car over back to the main train. And I imagine they'll be just picking up the rest of the bunch of tanker cars. But by siding, you know, I believe it. That's cool. There you guys go. You can see them hit the switch and move the switch around. Nice little nod from the crew guy. Younger crew we got here, folks. Looks like I like that. There's always some difference with the crew members. Some of them are very friendly. Alright, we'll go just a bit to the left, but I know normally, guys, I don't go over here, but well, end of school day, folks, is coming up here in Pembine, so we are just gonna do a change the spot ups, give you guys something cool. All right, we'll see when they bring back some more cars. Here she comes again, folks. People asking what street I'm on. I think that's why I would say this street again, but I am over by the Town Tavern Bar and Grill. Recently used to be known, folks, as Paris and Pembine. Yes, that used to be Paris and Pembine, but they rebranded. I think they have new employees here, or new managers, I've heard. So now it's known as the Town Tavern. No more Paris and Pembine. Yes, the train is behind the trees. But yes, we do have. We've been looking for this one, folks. We didn't know where she was originally. We found her, at least. And folks, today, why not we give you guys a little something different. I normally don't do switching videos, or, well, I haven't done switching in Pembine recently, I should say. Well, today we're changing that up a little bit. Now, folks, I know you've been asking about where's the content been the last couple of days. Long story short, as the train decides to accelerate, you're trying to beat that train, stupid. Okay, you're good, man. Right. You wouldn't think people try to beat the damn train, but still. What's the motivation? Try to beat a train? I don't know why you still would. Whew, chilly one today. I am. I'll try to play, I guess, today. I should have grabbed the hoodie, but still, take this out to my one. Got me good. Damn. I guess the crew decided to have a little fun with me. Damn. Love that sense of humor, damn. Folks, this is the sense of humor you get for the ELS. They took the horn like twice, and I'm scared the jeepers out of me. But if you guys have been asking about the recently why there's not been content since the Leap Day train, long story short, if you guys haven't seen via of Facebook and YouTube, there was derailing Kingsford, folks. 501 was the engine with this train. This isn't the exact train, but long story short, 501 derailed. I don't know, the 9 cars, as we've heard from reports, did derail. As of, I believe right now, I guess since they're setting this train to be north, they've gotten it fixed and they are, I guess, able to go. So at least that's good news. Because I know what was it, last week, I think it was Friday, they had a crew down from Chicago come down to help out with this derailment. I hope you guys saw this beautiful trees, by the way. But that was the inevitable. 501. That train you guys saw, the Leap Day train, was so half of the train. Now, I'm not 100% sure if the train cars that were derailed are still there at this point. I imagine they are probably not. That they must have rolled some trains through, but they could still be there, as I believe. But you can see over here, guys, there is the tanker cars. I think you can see it from the trees. The tankers that were, well, so that are being delivered, well, dropped off onto the CN tracks, because they'll be going to the fact Canadian National will take these afterwards, because the ELS, these are LP, this is propane cars, essentially, folks. Now, folks, traffic's getting a little busy behind me. You're asking probably, why am I even doing it here? You guys normally see me at the curb doing this. Well, for the reasonings, we can't do the curb today. We have to go to a backup option, long story short. And, well, you guys saw at first I popped over to the silver dollar bar to, well, get by the highway, some of it. But I decided to change due to the fact, well, doing it by a highway sounds really terrible. So we went and they switched over to, I'm not here. Not filming here, don't worry. But I believe these tankers will be joining the rest of them over by the siding, just over here. They'll be going to there. We're just waiting on 501 to hook up to these tanker cars, the back of it, and we'll take them to CN tracks where I believe these are heading to. Where they're heading to, I don't know at this point. I've never found out throughout the time so far since they've been doing this where they go. But anyway, see you guys when this train moves again. Here we go, folks. Haha. I love this. This guy's just funny. Here comes the second batch of the propane cars, and yes, you can see it, liquefied petroleum gas. People asking, yes, is this liquefied petroleum gas? I'll just zoom and give you the confirmation. There it is. There's your answer, folks. Liquefied petroleum gas. Yeah, I gotta do that because, well, schools are very busy today. Now I gotta realign the switch. No time to try to beat this train, folks. You ain't beating it. Here comes the second bunch, and they'll connect these to that first bunch they already brought through. And then these will be waiting for Canadian National the next time they send their trains through. Which, I'm gonna guess next week Monday they'll probably have something here. They didn't say anything this week so far through. Now, I've watched the smart drivers that decided to take this side road that I'm kind of on, but I'm on the dirt, so I'm good. Bam! Now, all these people are very much patiently waiting for this damn thing to get through. That, just folks, if you're asking why they're doing that, just make sure the couples are on. This is gonna be a long video. I can't really imagine. I get 30-minute max with this camera, so I just gotta hope this is. I still got 24 minutes left. If I don't get it within 24 minutes, I think if this video is longer, I think I shouldn't get that. You guys, make sure they align the switches correct, folks, because you saw they align the switch to get those two cars over to there. So there I go. I'll do some aligning the switches again. Well, you guys, for evil asking, this is non-odor. We'll just zoom into that. Evil asking, yes, is this liquefied petroleum gas non-odor? And you can probably understand the reason why it is. Because I think of odor Oh, if you're asking, yeah, these were built in 2015, folks. I can kind of zoom in again to that. Hope you guys can see that when it blurs. Built in 2015, the 5th month of the year, folks. Yeah, curiously these two people are gonna be like, yeah, not doing this today. Folks, this is when side roads come in handy. Because imagine waiting for this train to still roll. I love how they just decide to just leave. And now does the locomotive just move. What a sense of humor, folks. That's the fun part about it. Oh, it's a different kind of tanker car. What was this sucker built? Look at that one, folks. Here's one that's not the same as the others. Built in 1979. That's the old tanker car. Definitely different to all the rest. Were probably built, they're all built around different times. The one I showed you guys was 2015. That one at the front was 2005. So all the tanker cars probably have different dates they were built. So inevitably, they're all not built at the same time. I know down Iron Mountain they've got brand new grain cars. They were built in February of 2024. You guys can see all the way back over there. You can see all of these beautiful tankers. Oh, most folks understand I'm not filming them. But I'll zoom in. There you go, guys. Let it just unblur. Look at all the tanker cars coming today, folks. Those are all heading to they're going to be on the Canadian National tracks, and they'll be waiting for the Canadian National to take them where? I don't know. If anybody knows in the comments where these things are going, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear some answers of where you guys think these things are heading to. Folks, it is probably chilly, but the positive is we are in the 40s, I believe. So, yes, even though 40s is still chilly, I'm in a short sleeve shirt. Will I deal with it for train action? Yes, I will. Alright, folks, we will wait for this train to come back to us. Here she comes again, folks. Heading back to the train they got. Folks, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is gonna be a long one. Okay, so I don't have a time limit. I think I have the amount of things I can use. I may have a limit towards that, but time-wise, I just gotta do it within 30 minutes and move, lady, move. Don't stop today. Don't stop right there. Oh, you gotta try to beat that train. Moving, go on. And there she is again, heading back to where the rest of this train is. That's just, folks, I saw at least the now there's like, I don't have time. So folks, I did serve her. Alright, folks, I don't know if you can see, but there she is now heading to go get the rest of her train. I wonder if she's heading the rest of the way north today. We'll find out, I guess, here in a minute, folks, if she is. Folks, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. This is gonna be a long one, folks, and apologies if you guys have to look at trees a lot. This is just what I had to do, but, you know, ooh, give some care today, folks. We're here for some train action on a beautiful, on a 40-degree Tuesday. Folks, for asking, if you're asking about how the winters here in the Midwest have been this year, one word to describe it all: it's been a weird year in the Midwest on the weather category. I'll back over here a little bit, give a little like that. Alright, folks, we'll wait for this train to come back